good morning, sir, and my fellow friends. So now I'm going to present about the UNI 3312 about the device network application. So the first, let me introduce my group member. Our group member called Nicole, Heng, Chong Wai Kit, me, and Kevin, and Yap Jin Seng and Wong Kah Kei. And then today the presentation will conduct by Chong Wai Kit and Yap Jin Seng. So this is the table of content. First, today our presentation will separate two parts. So the first one is the overview and the second one is the digital service. So actually overview is talk about the three main issues that currently is experienced by the users without the digitalization. And the digital service is the three key expected benefit by introducing this digital service, which is the new device network and all the application as part of your digitalization process. So now part overview. So at the first most, so our team actually is focused on the digitizing project management service. So this will involve the streamline, task allocation, the progress tracking, and the collaboration. So this aim to enhance the efficiency, communication, and the overall project outcomes by transitioning from manual and digitalized process to a centralized digital platform. So okay, from this we can look at this table. So for the surprise to the end user, so the logical service is mostly is under the three part, which is the management, tracking, and the transportation of the commodities. So in our current project management system, without digitalization, users face three main challenges, which is the communication is slow and prone to errors due to reliance on manual methods. Second one is the tracking task is challenging. It's challenging as there is no real-time overview because this will causing the inefficiency and making it hard to keep up with project progress. So lastly is the important project information is spread in various places, causing confusion and hindering quick decision making. So this issue is result in a less efficient and more error-prone workflow. So digitalization actually is aimed to solve this problem by introducing a platform that enables quick and accurate communication, which is the real-time task tracking and central data storage, making the project management process more seamless and effective. So part two, I will talk about how to the digital service, which is how to transform the existing service into the digital service. So actually let me differentiate to three parts. First of almost is the platform for online collaboration. The second one is the automatic tracking and reporting of project. The third one is coordinating task assignment and resource distribution. So let me talk about what is the transformation between these things. So for the first one, the transformation for the platform for online collaboration is set up an online platform for collaboration so that project teams may collaborate easily in a remote setting. The features like document sharing, task management, progress monitoring, and real-time communication should be included for this platform. So the expected benefit include to the improved collaboration, enhanced accessibility, and the real-time update. The second one is the automatic tracking and reporting of project. So basically this the transformation is to accelerate data gathering, analysis, and reporting procedures, incorporate automatic project tracking and reporting system. So actually this one can help to effective monitoring and time savings. So the last one is coordinating task assignment and resource distribution. The transformation of this is put in place and integrate task management system that can make it possible to allocate the resources effectively in accordance with individual skills level and project needs. So this one, the expected benefit is to enhance accountability and increase flexibility. So now I will pass to Jin Seng to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Hi, before I continue this presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Yap Jin Seng, and I would like to present about the triangle, which is devices, networks, and application. So, in the devices, we have tablet for field operations and IoT sensors for asset tracking. So, in the tablet for field operation, this is for the project managers and field operators can utilize drug tablets that come pre-installed with project management software. This tablet make it possible to enter data on the spot receive real-time updates, and access project-related data. By utilizing the tablet, users can communicate easily, submit reports, and update task statuses, ensuring that data from the field is instantly reflected in the centralized digital platform. For the IoT sensors for asset tracking, this is following the integration, the data is made available in real time to the project management platform, facilitating proactive maintenance and ensuring optimal utilization in addition to providing insight into asset state. So then for the network, we have the private cloud network and 5G network, the 5G network connectivity. So for the private cloud network, it is to securely host and manage project data, set up a private cloud network. Data privacy control and scalability are ensured by this network. It preserves strong security protocols while providing effective access to centralized project data. This allows for flexibility without losing data integrity, as project stakeholders can safely use the platform from different locations. So, for in the 5G network connectivity, this is for devices, the centralized platform and cloud service to communicate quickly and with minimal latency. A 5G network should be put in place. The heightened capacity and decreased latency of 5G ensure quick and reliable data transmission, facilitating instant cooperation, video conferences, and effortless accessibility to project-related data from any location, enhancing overall responsiveness and connectedness. So, and the last one, for the application, we have the AI-powered analytics application and project management mobile app. So, for the AI-powered analytics application, this is project managers can gain insight from this application, which analyzes project data and find trends. In the end, it helps to increase the project's overall performance and efficiency by anticipating possible problems, allocating resources optimally, and offering data-driven recommendation for decision making. And for the project management mobile app, this is through mobile device communication, task status updates, real-time notification, and team member interaction. Users can increase flexibility and ensure ongoing project management. Okay, that's the end of the presentation, and you guys can leave the question below the comment. That's it.